It's time to create with the Vaughn family. Take it away, Alfalfa.
I'm on my way. Let's go in and see what's cooking.
Hi, I'm Pete.
And I'm Mason.
And today we're going to be making Noddy's Apple Card Delight.
Sounds awesome. What do we need? A crunchy green apple, berries, golden raisins, some cinnamon, a little honey, brown sugar and coconut. Sweet! First step, scrub those hands.
All right, now we're ready to cook.
Yeah?
Oh, look! Mason's putting the cinnamon in the bowl. The raisins and the yummy honey. Ooh, now they're squeezing some lemon. And here's the fun part. Dad's coring the apple.
It's on the other side.
Yeah, it takes the whole middle right out.
Cool!
You can see right through it.
I see two sprout-rific chefs. Now they're adding the yummy mixture into the apple. And Mason's topping it off with some sweet brown sugar. And into the oven it goes. Cleanup time. Everyone can help out with this. Sprout-rific job, Mason. And now it's time to decorate the plate. Can you guess what Mason's making with the coconut? Something Noddy's car can drive on. Right, a tasty road. Let's check on our dish.
Smells good, huh?
Careful, it's hot, but it sure smells good. Dad's taking it out of the oven, another big sprout job. Now, he carefully cuts the apple in half. That's terrific! Mason's adding the raspberry wheels.
Nice. That looks good. Let's eat.
Mmm, delicious.
How does it taste, Mason?
Good.
Yummy. Bye. See you back at the diner.
See you back at the diner.
Want to try a wheel?